Hi everyone. Another mailbag, whatever day it is, Tuesday. Whenever my packages show up, got some things from Amazon that are RC workbench related. It could be lots of different things, but try to keep it RC related. I already opened this up because when the Amazon van shows up, it's like Christmas sometimes. So I was like, okay, I opened this up, put everything back, and open it up on camera and talk about the projects that I'm working on right now. So try to get better in the future about waiting to open things up. Alright, so got these front brass knuckles for my Scx24 from Treal. I have some front knuckles for my element from them that are brass, and they work out great. So just add a little bit of weight up front. I ordered, I think I got these for like 27 bucks on Prime. Got my servo went out on my Scx24, so I ordered some Metal Gear servos. I think these were 18 bucks for two. It's a great company, AGF. From what I've heard, all the reviews on Facebook, and so probably stick with them with the servos and upgrade as needed if these kind of poop out after a while. There's one that I'm got my eye on, but it's a little bit more expensive, but it puts out a lot more torque. Also might do a rear steer since I have two. Let's see what I got. I got black TPU filament, 1.75, for possible robot tires and mirrors, body posts for RCs. I don't have any TPU, so black is always good for RC. Looks like it's hopefully vacuum sealed. Yep, looks like it. This is GizmoDorks TPU. I have PETG from them, and I like it. Just like a little test roll like this, and I haven't gone through it fast enough. Still getting used to it. It's a good filament. And then I got a crimping kit. What we got here? We got Qibaok crimping kit. Let's see. It's kind of constrained on space here. I'm trying to let's see if I can move this up. It was a kit with a crimper. I heard these ratcheting crimpers are better than non-ratcheting, not kill your hand. I'm looking to crimp servo leads and JST leads. So it was $26 on Amazon on Prime. Oh yeah, and the GizmoDorks filament was 10 bucks, I think. So this also came with manual, which is nice. It also came with a bunch of crimps and wire and different leads, or different plugs, both DuPont plugs, which are, I call them servo plugs, but good for using Arduino and RC. And then JST plugs, be using these XH2s. Hopefully those will work with the Scx24. They use PH2s. Hopefully I don't kick myself in the butt later. So with this, hopefully the pitch is right. Maybe not. I think it's 2.0. But it was kind of 30 bucks is the sweet spot for a kit like this. So looking forward to using those in the future. Let's see what else we got here. We've got another box. Obviously, lithium ion batteries. These are actually lithium polymer batteries. Let me get my scissors out. Pretty sure these are my Scx24 batteries. Ordered some Ovonics, I think that's how you pronounce it, 1000 milliamp 2S batteries. Yep, looks like it. Let's open this up here. And made a cardboard like model of the battery before I bought these to know if they fit or not. Oh, cool. Stickers are always nice. Looks like they're nice and padded in the cardboard box, and instructions. These look like they'll work. Wow, these are significantly they weigh a lot more than, a little bit more dense than these the stock battery that came with it. Let's see here. Fight with this battery, but I don't want to cut them. Yeah. Let's see if I can just snip this. There we go. Do a good job on packaging them. It's nice that they have balancing leads. It's 2S. Let's see here, 1000 milliamp. And I mean, these aren't really that much bigger than the 350 milliamp that you get with the Scx24. So I'm pretty sure I was spot on with measuring the model. And well, I'll probably do another video on these with the Scx24 and the brass knuckles, and probably the crimper too. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.